Yeah, it's going. Hello.
Hey, look at the stairs.
Okay. This is the living room. Yeah.
And it's amazing.
Yeah. Nice big open space
And
here.
this right here.
Yeah. Okay. Closet.
Very interesting.
Comes with phone books. Ceiling fan.
Love the separate kitchen.
Separate kitchen. Little hallway here. Here's the kitchen area. Pantry. Spice rack. Gas stove.
That's right.
Cute little, cute. Yep. Needs a light fixture. I think Jessica could handle that. And then here's the bathroom. Not much to do with this, but it's, it's clean.
It's a bathroom.
It's a bathroom.
It has a toilet.
You poop in there. And now we go upstairs.
Now this is the cool
The
part.
best part.
This is the best part. Okay, so up the stairs. Okay. So, I'm going to turn around. Really cool lines. Super nice. And then over here, spot, little nook for a bed if needed. Really, really cool. I'd say it's about 400 square feet up here. Really cute. Super rad. It's warm. Very warm. We need a fan. But
Whatever.
there it is.